Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another video on fractions, and we are doing relationship of fractions with mixed numbers and then with decimals and now with percentages. Interconversion of fractions, decimals and percentages is a very important part whether you are studying it for the first time at school level or practicing it to get into some university entrance exams and then the placement exams, quantitative aptitude. It has a huge number of questions of FDP, that is the fractions, decimals and percentages. So interconversion and interconverting them very smartly is very important. So watch this complete video in which I am going to take up conversion of fractions to percentages, and you should understand some very basic things first. And for that I will be taking up the concept of the video first and then followed by some examples, mixed examples, so that it completes the concept and you can actually apply it to solve MCQs. Friends, this topic of converting fractions to percentages is a part of our ebook of short tricks, and it comes with 24 different chapters. So this is chapter number 5 of that ebook, Art of Manipulating the Fractions, and this actually contains, the ebook contains over 300 such short methods which help you calculate 10x faster. So if you want a compilation of all these tricks at one place, then you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number. We have 9896369963. You can take a screenshot, or all these details which I have written here, they are contained in the description of this video as well. So you can see the description and send me a message on WhatsApp if you prefer to get that ebook of short tricks. So friends, let's understand the concept of conversion of fractions to percentages first. See, the first thing I want to highlight is when we have an improper fraction. There are three different types, right? Now this is improper fraction, then a proper fraction, and finally a mixed number. Now whenever you have these three types of fractions, you want to convert them to percentages, you are going to get a different kind of percentage every time. Now let's take an example of an improper fraction like 7 upon 4. This is an improper fraction, 7 is greater than 4. A proper fraction like say 3 upon 10, that's an easy one. And how about a mixed number like 7 by 25? Now that's a mixed number. Now in all the three cases, I am going to get a different type of percentage. Why? Because this being an improper fraction, this can be converted to a mixed number format, right? Proper fractions are already fractions. They can't be converted to a mixed number format because the whole number part is 0. So whenever you have a proper fraction, your answer for the percentage will be less than 100%. Less than 100%. That means the percentage equivalent of 3 by 10 will be less than 100. I'll tell you what to do to convert it into percentage. First, let's understand what is the nature of your answer. Less than 100%. In case of an improper fraction and a mixed number, you have one very slight variation. Like here the whole number part is 1, right? So this percentage will be between 100 to 200%. 100% to 200%. Had the mixed fraction be like say 3, 4 by 9. Now this percentage will be between, because this is 3, so it will be between 300 to 400%. Now that is again one of the very important observations, because you won't be making silly mistakes, if you know these things. And finally this one, you can't tell between which two percentages will this answer lie. It all depends on how you convert it to a mixed number. And once you convert it to a mixed number, you know what will be the percentage equivalent of this. So this is actually 1, and then 7 minus 4 is 3. So 1 3 by 4. So whole number part is 1. So your answer will be between 100% to 200%. That is the criteria. and actual conversion of these into percentages will be dependent solely on one single step, that is multiplying the given fraction by 100 and then reducing it in the form of a decimal if required, or simply a whole number. Like in this case 10 cancels 100 exactly 10 times, so 10 into 3 will be 30%, and this is the percentage equivalent of 3 by 10, and obviously see it is less than 100% because it is a proper fraction. So likewise, you need to carry on doing question after question to understand the concept and to get into it, to dive into it, and that makes the things easier for you. So now I think it will be easier for you to understand what am I doing here and why my answer is correct or incorrect. So if you see 7 by 4, this is an improper fraction. So 7 by 4 is 1 3 by 4 as I told you in the previous slide, and my answer is going to be more than 100% now because it's an improper fraction. So directly multiplication by 100 will solve my purpose, because 4 will cancel this exactly 25 times, and 7 times 25, which gives me 175%, will be your percentage equivalent of 7 by 4, because whole number part 7 by 4 is 1 3 by 4. So 1 means 100. So it is more than 100 but less than 200. Likewise 2 by 5, I know that it's a proper fraction, so my answer is going to be less than 100%. So just multiply this by 100, 5 cancels this 20 times, and you have 2 times 20, which gives me 40% as the percentage equivalent. Now I know you must be feeling more comfortable and you will solve these questions very quickly. Here we have another proper fraction, 11 upon 16. So less than 100% answer. Multiply it by 100. So this 4 times is 16. 4 25 times is 100. So we have 11 times 25 and divide that by 4. This is the percentage. So when you multiply 25 by 11, you get 275 and divide that by 4. How do I divide numbers by 4? I hope you have seen all the division short tricks. So just take the half of this number 137.5 and divide it by 2, and finally one more time you have to divide it by 2. 2 6 are 12, so 17 means 2 8s are 16. 15 means 2 7s are 14 and 5. 68.75% is the answer for the question. 11 upon 16 is actually this much percentage. Another proper fraction here, relatively easy, because 25 actually divides 100 exactly. So 25 cancels 100 exactly 4 times, and 19 into 4, which is 76, gives me the percentage of 19 upon 25. Likewise, if you have 2 more questions here in the form of mixed numbers. So I told you the whole number part will tell you the lower limit of the percentage. Here we have 7. So this percentage is going to be more than 700 and less than 800. More than 900, less than 1000%. Okay. So 7 5 by 8. Either I can do 700 plus convert 5 by 8 to percentage, add it to 700, or I can do the conversion. 7 5 by 8 is 7 8s are 56 plus 5 61. So 61 upon 8, and now I can do multiplication by 100 and get my percentage, or you can do 5 by 8 times 100. So you will get a different percentage here. So I'll do it both ways. Here 4 2s are and 425 times, right? So this is 61 times 25 upon 2, which will give me 25 ones are 25, 5 2 carry. This is 150 plus 2, 152 upon 2. And so if you divide this by 2, you get 2 7s are 14, 6, and then 2 2s are 4 and 5. 762.5% is the answer. Now, if I don't want to convert this to an improper fraction and then solve it, I will just take the fractional part and then convert this first. 4 2s are 425 times. So this is 125 by 2, which is 62.5%, and all I have to do is to add it to the whole number part, like 7 means 700 and plus 62.5, which gives me the same answer, 762.5% as the answer. See, both ways it works, and if the improper fraction which you obtain is big, then this process can become little tough. So do it this way, the proper fraction way. So I'll do it here. See, 19 by 20, I don't want to consider 9. So just multiply that by 100. So 20, this cancels 5 times, and 19 into 5 gives me 95. So what will be the final percentage? Whole number part is 9, so 900, and the fractional part has a percentage of 95, so 995% will be your answer for the question. See, smartness, and this is what is the crux of the video. You know the concept, and you are clear in your mind, what exactly you want to achieve, right friends? So if you like this video, do share it with all your friends on your WhatsApp groups, so that they can also take advantage. If you are a maths teacher, take a while in sharing the links with your school students, so that they know these basic things and they can watch it at the comfort of their home. So subscribe our YouTube channel, Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and along with that you need to hit the bell icon to get all the notifications on your mobile itself. So I'll wait for your comments as to whether this video has helped you or not. All the best for the practice part.